Okay, here I have some chocolate mold. I have salted caramel candy melt. I have the white candy melt vanilla flavor. I have Boca, eatable gold leaf. I have some spatula. I have a bench scraper. I had gold luster. I have a Spanish gold and I had antique gold luster. I end up using the Spanish gold. And here I'm going to mix my luster and my Boca. Here I have Dulce de Leche, which I had the recipe below. Go check it out. Okay, it's very delicious. And here I have Dulce de Coco, which I also had the recipe below. Check it out. Okay, guys? So these are going to be our fillings, and they are both awesome. So first, I'm going to start by melting my candy melts. So I'm mixing the white with the salted caramel. And I'm putting it in this cup and I'm putting it in the microwave for 30 seconds at a time. I take it out. I mix it. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some more of the white. And again, I'm going to continue to mix. Put it in the microwave for 30 seconds at a time. You know your microwave, you might have to put it for 20 seconds at a time. My microwave is 30 seconds. And I'm mixing it until everything is blending together. Here I'm adding about a half a teaspoon of coconut oil. And what the coconut oil is going to do is going to make it loosen up a little bit and be more smooth because they are candy melt. They're not like the regular chocolate. All right. Another time I will go ahead and bring you how to temper chocolate the professional way and do it. But I know for most people in the craft stores, this is what you're able to find at Walmart, craft stores and all of that. And this is something that I would like for everybody to do, especially now for the holidays. You know, perfect to do it together with the kids, give it as gifts at the office, take it for, possibilities are endless, okay? So that's why I'm using the candy melt. But again, another time I will do it with regular chocolate. I will teach you how to temp chocolate and do it more professionally. But this would do, okay? And I promise you, you will have a lot of fun with the kids, guys. So here, as you can see, I fill it up. I shaked it around. Then I scrape the excess of the candy melt and put it in the fridge so it could harden before we put the filling in. Okay, and again, I'm doing the same thing with this one, but since these are a little smaller, I'm using the paintbrush to spread out the candy melt. And now I'm shaking it all direction and then scrape it off and do the same thing. All right. So while we're doing this, guys, you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me and that like button. And also, don't forget the notification, guys. Don't forget that bell icon that's going to let you know every time I upload a new video so you could get that front seat. And also, guys, if you enjoy my recipe, go ahead and share with other people. Share this recipe. Don't be selfish now. So here, I am using the Dulce de Coco, and I'm filling up my little bonbons. I'm telling you, these things came out really, 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 really good. Y'all already know. Y'all already know. And, you know, like I said, this is something that you could teach and also, you know, sit down with your family with time and do it together with the kids. The kids will love this. I am so telling you. And teach them how to give from the heart, you know, to make things to give to others instead of always going to the store and buying stuff, you know, and teaching them that the holiday is just about buying stuff. No, teach them to give from the heart. And this is one good way to do that, okay, with little projects like this. This is awesome. Okay, so here I'm scraping the excess off, and I'm gonna return it to the fridge so it could harden. And then we're gonna start on the next one. So the bonbon had the dulce de coco. This one has the dulce de leche. Like I mentioned, both recipes are below, guys. Both recipe. Also, I have some affiliate links in the bottom for some of the candy molds that you could find and everything. So, and they're not expensive at all, guys. So go ahead and check out those links. And here I'm doing the same thing. I'm filling it up. And also what I use is called a pastry bag to put my melted candy in. But if you do not have a pastry bag, don't worry. We all have those Ziploc bags in the house. Use one of those, cut the little corner off, and voila, you're able to do the same thing, okay? But if you want to get some pastry bags, you could either check out my links or go ahead and go to the store, to the craft stores or whatever you like, and go get you some. All right, and have fun this holiday season and in the fall. And again, I'm doing the same thing I did with the other one. I'm scraping and I put it in the fridge. And they don't even have to be in the fridge that long, guys. Like I'm telling you, like 10 minutes. Every time you put them in the fridge, and they set up pretty quickly. So here I'm removing. Again, I'm removing. And those are the ones with the dulce de leche. So I just remove all of them. Okay. So now here I'm mixing some of my Spanish Gold Lust with some of the vodka. If you don't want to use vodka, guys, you could use lemon extra. Okay. You do not have to use vodka. That's what I had in hand. But you could use lemon extra if, especially if you're dealing with the kids. Definitely use lemon extra. All right. But I'm telling you, like my grandson, this is kind of stuff. He loves doing stuff like this with me. Every time I go to see him, he already have a list. Grandma, come on, let's go do this. Let's go do that. He really enjoys my cooking, my baking, my decorating, all of that. So I'm pretty sure your children would love to do this as well. Okay. And you could buy different colors of Lust. And just make the creation your own. You could put sprinkle little sprinkles on it. On this ones, on the square ones, I decided just to wet a little bit with that Gold Lust mix, and then I added little pieces of the eatable gold leaf. Okay, this stuff is expensive, so you only want to put a little bit at a time. But it's especially if you're going to take it to the office, to a party, whatever, that give it a nice touch and very expensive looking, which it is. All right. And then on this shape, I decided to give it a dab of the same thing, the vodka mix with the gold. And I added about 3 grains of the coarse sea salt. It is salted caramel flavor, so I just did that to that one. And trust me, those few little grains give it that little punch. It was good, delicious. So then the little ones, I just decided to paint like half of it, one side only, and give it a little touch, not much. And this is how they all came out. Look at how beautiful that is. Okay. Look at this. You could have this for your party at home. You could take it to the office. You could do whatever. And you would definitely impress. Look at that gold. Look at that gold that we painted. Look at that. All right, guys. Well, thank you again for stopping by. And I will see you on the next recipe. Have a wonderful day.